Hi folks, more great work submitted again last week, so really well done. Just a reminder for everyone to make sure that you attempt all tasks on the checklist and submit your work using the assignments tab so that you can get some feedback. Also a reminder that it's not too late to complete the tasks from the previous few weeks. You can still complete this work and then submit it using the assignments tab. This week we will be using research skills to find out more information about some of the elements in the periodic table. You'll see from the success criteria that you should be able to use the periodic table to find an element from 4 different categories. You should be able to use research and digital skills to find online information about these elements. You should be able to use literacy skills to record this information in a table. And finally, you should be able to create an informative poster about one of your chosen elements. As usual, there will be a checklist that you can find on the Teams page and in the Files tab. This Friday is a holiday, so you would only have had 2 periods of science if you were in school, so there isn't as much work to complete this week because of the Friday holiday. Also, the deadline for this week's work will be Thursday night, so that everyone can enjoy their long weekend. If you're watching this video, well done. You're already on your way to completing the first task. If you need to watch it again, you will find the link on the Teams page or by clicking on this link in the checklist. Your second task of the week is to open the file found here. You go to Files on Teams. You click on the folder labelled number 1 Elements and Periodic Table. You then click on the folder labelled number 4 Elements Tasks Week 4 and also has the 8th of February written on it. You then click on the file called Elements Research. When you click on Elements Research, you should open this Word document here. For the first part of this task, you're going to use your periodic table to select any metal element. Then you're going to go online and find out more information about this metal element. You'll see from the table that you have a list of information that you need to find out about this metal element. You're then going to find the information needed and complete this table. You can write your answers on paper or you can record your answers digitally. If you wanted, you could download a copy of this file to your own device and then type in the answers into the boxes. Once you've completed the table here for a metal element, the next part of the task is to do the same again, only this time you're going to complete the table for a non-metal element. And you can use your periodic table to select any non-metal that you want. Again, you're going to fill out the table once you find your answers online. Then you're going to do the same for another 2 elements. The next element that you're going to find out about should be naturally occurring. That means we find it in nature or we find it in the earth. Complete the table for the naturally occurring element, and then finally you're going to complete the last table for any element that was made by scientists. Again, fill out your answers in the table when you find the information online. The final task for the week is to create a poster for any one of the elements that you've researched. You can make your poster on paper, or you can create it digitally using PowerPoint, Publisher, Sway, or any other digital format that you know how to use. Make sure that you include all the information from your research, as well as other facts and pictures showing the element and more of its uses. When it's completed, you're going to upload your poster using the Assignments tab. Hope you all have a great week, and I hope that everyone enjoys their long weekend.